welcome back to another video. Before we get started, make sure you hit the red button down below to subscribe and hit my bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
GearBest for sending me this package full of squishies and slime. So I actually got this in the mail yesterday and I could not wait to open it. So I did open it and I peeked inside, but I haven't opened the packages yet. So I'm gonna do that with you guys right now. So this is the first thing, and guys, this is the cutest bunny I have ever seen. I wish this had came before Easter, but it's okay, at least I have it now. Oh my gosh, this is so soft, and it's really slow rising. And it honestly smells like bubblegum. It smells really good. And it's so soft. They sent me this, and it looks pretty cool, so let's open it. This is really cool. Oh my gosh. I'm not sure the proper name for this, but it's pretty neat. And next I have this foam slime, and it's blue. So let's open it. And it is actually just like foam. I thought it was going to be a slime, but I can always add it to another slime. And I have this slime, and it is a fishbowl slime, and I'm so excited to see how it is. Let's take the tape off first. Okay, so let's open it. Oh. That feels so weird. So it's a clear slime mixed with these little beads, and it's really satisfying. So honestly, it's a little sticky, and I think it might need a little more activator, but it's really cool. So I'm going to add some Tide and contact solution and see if I can fix it. Okay, so I fixed it, and it is good as new. And I love this slime. And the last thing that they sent me was this lemon. And let's open it. This is so big. And it is definitely not as slow rising as the bunny, but I still love it. So out of everything that I got from GearBest, my favorite was the bunny. So I want to thank GearBest again for sending me these awesome items. And the question of the day is, what is your favorite thing that I got from GearBest? So don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys tomorrow.